We come to the elevators at 900 North Shore Drive, and it is a Haughton. Check this out. That's the only thing that was replaced. Actually, the pump was replaced. Original controller, I believe. Let's turn off the going down. Actually, I don't know. The pump might be original. I'm not sure. Look at this funky cab. This is awesome. Look at those ceiling lights. That is awesome. There used to be a mirror in this thing. Yeah, the cab used to look a lot different than this. I don't like, oh yeah, there used to be a mirror in here. Oh, they felted it up. Yeah, this used to look a lot different, but all right, let's go, actually, let's get a view of that COP. It's a Haughton. All right, let's go to B. Hold up. The door just stops. Oh, if you can see up the hoist. No, not really. Okay. We'll be silent so we can hear the motor. That was a nice moment. How's it going? How you doing? Good. That's a bummer. Yeah, this thing used to have a totally different cab. It was a lot more 70s and funky than this. And they just felted up the walls. It's a nice motor though, oh my God. Let's check out that lantern. That's it.